Okay lads, we're going to give this a go. Particle starts from rest and moves from A to B with constant acceleration. Alright, so let's draw points A to B as shown. Now it travels 3 meters in the first second, so we go 3 meters here, and that's 1 second, and describes 7/16 of the full distance travelled in the last 2 seconds of its motion. So in the last 2 seconds of its motion, but to be honest, 7/16 is usually 7/16 is actually just under halfway, so let's be accurate there. So I'm going to call you 7/16 of x, where x is the entire distance from A to B. That's okay with you guys? Now, you're also going to say that the time t is all the way from beginning to end. How long does it take the particle to travel from A to B? Well, let you ask that. UVAST. Now, U, it starts from rest. We don't know what A is. We know that S is 3. We know that T is 1. And what we can use is phi squared equals U squared plus 2AS, I believe. Or, no, not that. We're going to use S equals UT plus a half AT squared. You're going to have to forgive me, very long day at home, and I'm pretty tired. Let's see what I can get done though. So 0 times 1 plus a half A times 1, and that equals a distance of 3. A half A equals 3. This means that A equals 6. Alright, A equals 6 goes for 5 marks, so we've established that the acceleration is 6. Happy days. Okay. Now, here's what I'm thinking about doing here. Instead of using 7/16, which is this distance here, in 2 seconds, what I'm going to use is this distance here, and this blue distance is 9/16. I'm hoping. So let's do 9/16 of x, and that's with 9/16 x is t minus 2. So that'd be a time frame of t take away. T is your total time, 2 seconds for the very end, so this would be a time frame of t minus 2. So we go for 9/16 x equals what are we going to go for here? We're going to go for we're using s equals ut plus a half at squared. So it's going to be 0 times t minus 2 plus a half at squared, so it's going to be a half times 6 times t minus 2 squared. So I'm going to get 9/16 x equals, and that's going to be 0. That's going to be 3 times t squared minus 4t plus 4. That's how I'm going to square that out. And a half of 6 is 3. Now we're going to do the entire thing, which is from beginning all the way to end, and that will be x. And once again, it's going to be ut plus a half at squared, and that is going to be 0 times t plus a half 6 times t squared. So x equals 3t squared. So what we're going to have here now is going to be 9/16 times 3t squared, because I'm subbing out x for 3t squared, and I believe that should equal 3t squared minus 12t plus 12. Now I'm going to multiply this by 9 to get 27t squared, Going to multiply all this by 16. I'm going to get 48t squared minus 192t, and then 12 times 16 is also plus 192t. Yeah, we're going to take away that 27. So 48 take away 27 is 21. So it's going to be 21t squared minus 192t plus 192. Oh, sorry, there's not a t on that last one. My fault. Now, 192 divided by 21. Just going to pause it there for a second. So lads, look, we're all good. Just do the minus b formula. A is 21, B is minus 192, and C is 192. I'm not going to bore you with that. The answer is t equals 8 seconds, okay? So that's all good. Sorted, alright? Next part. The distance from A to B. No bother. It's 3 times t squared. So it's going to be